Sending emails instantly is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open Microsoft Outlook. Next, navigate to the Files menu, followed by selecting Options, and then proceed to click on Advanced. In the Send and Receive section, select the Send Immediately when Connected checkbox. Then click on OK. Now, when you click Send, your email will be delivered immediately if you're connected to a network and Outlook is online. If you're offline, the email will be sent once Outlook is online. Further, you can use the keyboard shortcut within Microsoft Outlook. Press F9 or select Send or Receive, then send or receive all folders. This will prompt Outlook to attempt delivery of any messages in the Outbox folder. Now, if you're not using Outlook, you can create and send an email directly. So, you will first need to navigate to the Home tab and then click on New Email. Add recipients, a subject, and a message in the email body. Then, click Send.